So Jace, tell me, how good do our boats catch fish, and how cold are the drinks in our new Engel coolers?
Now first, I'm going to tell you about the cooler. It's freezing cold in there. Your water, the cooler makes your water be fresh. So you can put old, nasty water in it. It can be fresh.
What about the fish?
Now type 2, the fish, the boat. Helps you catch fish. It only has a trolling motor on it.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called.
Trolling motor, that's right.
And the boat really helps you fish.
Yeah.
But the boat isn't that fast. So you won't want to like bring it into
To the river.
Yeah, into the river.
Yeah. Well, point is,
you can catch a lot of fish.
Yeah, with a Backwoodslanding boat, huh?
With a Backwoodslanding boat.
Well, happy 4th of July, everybody.
Happy 4th of July.